Happy holidays from MV Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegan chocolate truffles. Yes, I am. So to make my chocolate truffles, I'm first going to melt my chocolate chips behind me on the stove here. So I have a double boiler. It's really just two pots. One sitting on top of the other with water in the bottom one. And I'm going to add my chips to the top and just melt this over low to medium heat on the stove, of course. So I'm going to beat my cream cheese. This is non-dairy tofutti cream cheese, plain. So I'm going to beat this until it's smooth, and then I'm going to start gradually adding my powdered sugar to the cheese. Really? And this has been sitting out to soften it. All right, so let's blend this up. And because it's already been softened, it's not going to take very long to get it nice and smooth here. I'm going to add my powdered sugar. Gradually, you'll make a big powdery mess, like I'm doing. Yeah, baby. There's so much sugar, my teeth are hurting. You could go a little lighter on the sugar if you want. Use organic powdered. The lesser of the evils, as much as you can. More sugar. And then I'm adding my vanilla. All right, so I'm adding my melted chocolate and vanilla, mixing this all together. If you can see this. Okay, so just mix this all together. I'm going to call that mixed. Now I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it for at least an hour. You could refrigerate it overnight. And once it's chilled, then you can form your balls and roll and dip. There's no baking required in this recipe. Okay, so just chill out. Okay, so this is the fun part. This can get a little messy. Take your rings and jewelry off, roll up your sleeves, get some help, put those kids to work. Maybe, if you have kids. My dog is rather useless in this area. So 2 teaspoons, and I set this out of the fridge a little bit so it's a little more workable. I pulled it out of the fridge about an hour ago, I guess. So anyway, you're just gonna roll these into about an inch diameter. And yes, your hands will get chocolatey. And then hopefully you can see this. I have finely chopped walnuts. I have some powdered sugar. I have some lightly toasted coconut, and I have some dark chocolate cocoa. And you could use other toppings as well. And I'm just going to roll these balls in to the various toppings and set them on some wax paper. And then you're going to want to just keep these refrigerated. They'll set up and store nicely for up to a couple of weeks if you keep them chilled. So let me roll a few for you, and you get the idea. This is my favorite ball rolling technique. Messy, but effective. Oops. So I'll roll that in some powdered sugar. Of course, now I have powdered sugar and chocolate on my hands. Oh well. It's the holidays. It's time to get a little wild and crazy. Here we go. Let's see if you see this. I'll do one of each. And this is flaked coconut, lightly toasted in a toaster oven. Yum. And chocolate on top of chocolate for this guy. You can make them a little smaller, you can make them a little bigger. It's up to you. But I find this is the perfect size to fit in one of those little candy cups. Candy paper cups. Oh, double chocolate. Okay, so rinse and repeat till you get through it all. So here they are, chocolate truffles. Keep them refrigerated. And oh, by the way, if they start to get sticky when you're rolling them in their toppings, go ahead and put them back in the fridge for a while to firm them up. Yeah, enjoy. Don't your teeth hurt just looking at those? Enjoy your goodies. Have a great holiday, and we'll see you next time on MV Chef.